Here we are, we just arrived. It's a good spot for the stargazing tonight.
Look at that one! Look at that hairy one!
The parrot just said hello. Hello! Funny looking peacock. It's a gray color, different breed.
Hello.
Hello. Here we are, we found the horses and the goats.
It's for both of them.
Okay.
Let me show you.
Okay, so you can go inside, just don't let the animals come out.
It's okay, Tucci.
This one is not Tucci.
They're both Tucci.
Really?
Yeah,
They all have one name?
Tucci. Tucci.
Okay, let's close the door.
Oh, I see some carrots.
Who eats the carrots?
Found some carrots in there.
Did you feed the Crestabel carrots as well?
Oh, it's okay. Mom, you can feed too.
Oh, little horse likes the carrot. Don't feed her your fingers.
It's okay. Oh, let's wait for her to finish. No, she didn't get it. It's still there.
She needs fingers and hands.
I'll give her a tiny little. Oh, it's okay to
Don't eat my finger.
just let go of it like that. Let's wait for
Is
her.
it good?
If she eats it, she likes it.
Oh, is it too big? No.
She's just scratching.
Oh, she wants to make it smaller. It's probably too long.
That's why.
Oh, they like it. They like the brush. Right. I didn't have a brush, sorry. This morning, she's in charge of the breakfast. Okay, looks good. You can put it in the plate. Oh, looking good. Oh, hot. Okay, let's go to our breakfast menu. Our breakfast table is set in this beautiful spot and overlooking of the valley. Look how gorgeous it is.
Bye. peacocks, say bye-bye every animal.
I'm gonna give you an overview of what the campsite look like. We stayed in campsite 2 and spot 2, and then there's another 2 spot you can see we just passed, and there is going to be glamping.
Spot 2.
The glamping spot is quite small though. It's like this, but they have gazebo, so you can have a picnic table underneath, and it has a grill as well.
Bye.
And on this side there is another A-frame house.
Bye, farm.
And this one coming up is a farm.
And bye, chickens.
Small kids playground, small kids, and behind of it is the owner's house. That's owner's house.
I said goodbye to the chickens.
Did they hear you? Another spot right here. Another spot. Yeah. And here is the.
That's spot 1.
That is it. Okay.
Yeah.
So here is kind of the diverge of the road. So when you're coming up from the front, you're supposed to go bell left, because bell right is to the owner's house. And behind of this is a horse and goats. On one side is a shower. I'll show you the shower quickly. I've never used it though. So it's a very simple shower. I think they use well water. And this is the bathroom. The bathroom is actually very clean. It's very clean. I was surprised. This is all for today. Thank you for watching. See you next time.